I'm leaving that line number 24 the way it is right now. I want to talk about one thing before we make some changes. Now, number 1, number 2, and number 3 are of type double, and sum is of type integer. So when I hover over, it tells me cannot implicitly convert double to an int. Now comes the question, it never complained earlier when I left integer on the right and double to the left. In the case of double num1, double num2, double num3, why is it complaining when I'm doing the other way around? Because double is 8 bytes. Integer is 4. It's complaining merely because you're trying to fit a larger value in a smaller box. When you go from int to double, a small value can fit in a large box, but the other way around is not possible. That's why it mainly is complaining. So if you change it to the correct box size of memory, it just works fine. So you accepted all 3 interior angles, and then you store them. Their sum was stored in the variable sum. Now let me give an if condition check. Then check to see if sum of interior angles is, what is the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle equals to? Okay. And then display an appropriate message. That means if it is, you display one message. If it is not, you display the other message. Everybody got this? So we accepted 3 interior angles. If their sum equals 180, we say it's a valid triangle. If it doesn't equal, then we say invalid triangle.